We can see these items are made from basic lines and draw tools. If you want to make them on your own, then you will be able to make them easily. But keep in mind that do not waste time, use the available items on AutoCAD. This is how professionals work. They do not waste time in making such small things which are already available on AutoCAD or online. Learn to use limited time wisely. All elements block that AutoCAD provides are quite basic and too simple in nature. They are not detailed well and does not appeal to the client, so we will not be using these blocks. Close this window, select this like this and press delete. We have a reference file that contains sophisticated design blocks which are made in a great detail. Go to start, click on open file, select the file reference block RB. You will find the link to download this file on the description box. Select, click on open. Here we can see this file includes various blocks. For more blocks, you can visit these websites. I'll put the link for these websites on the description box.